Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode on Mighty Mall Shop Creations. Today, I'll be showing you my final on my 1959 Cadillac Eldorado by Monogram. Without further ado, let's roll the intro. Okay, so as you can see, this huge land yacht of a car almost doesn't fit in the camera. I actually had to move my camera setup backward a little bit so it could fit in the frame. I'm really happy with how this kit turned out. I think I did a pretty great job. Not to like my own horn or anything, but pretty proud of myself. So, 1959 was a really special year for cars because that was when tail fins were like the big thing. And as you can see, this Cadillac has massive, and when I mean massive, that is an understatement, massive tail fins. I think the Cadillac Eldorado has like the tallest tail fins on a factory car ever produced, which is absolutely ridiculous. This kit comes with chrome stickers for right here, along here, and along the bottom. And I think, yeah, these license plates are stickers that come with the kit, so I just put them on. These door handles are a piece that you actually have to put onto the body. Speaking of the body, pink I chose because I know it's like the most iconic color of the 59 Cadillac. But when I was researching Cadillac, it's apparently, from what I've heard, Cadillac never made a pink factory color. So I guess some guy just had a pink Cadillac and it came like the main color, even though it was never factory made. More cool things about this kit. So, these taillights are super cool. I'm just gonna say that before I get into the cool stuff. But this kit is actually technically two different options. Has two different options. One, you can have it soft top like I have it now, or you can take it off and put this piece on and have it convertible, which I think it looks great either way. If I had to choose, I'd probably choose the soft top just because. Oh no, that's not centered. I think I'd just choose the soft top because it stands out more. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Something about the interior that I'll show you right now. What I ended up doing, as you saw in my last video, I just scraped off the white, and right here, along here, was white, but then it bubbled up, so I just scraped it off with a knife and kept the original pink plastic. I blackwashed the grille, as you can see. Looks pretty darn sweet. Same with the rear grille. I call it a grille because that's pretty much what it looks like. Taillights went in super great. My dad says that he thinks that the gas cap was actually hidden underneath one of the taillights, so you just flip it down, which I thought was super cool because he says back in the, like, when cars were like this, he said it wasn't about how much it weighed or like how fast it could go or how reliable it was. It was just all about looks. And I totally agree with that. I think he is 100% correct. But yeah, I'm super happy with how this kit turned out. I'll show you guys the underneath real quick. Did some weathering. Sanded down the tires a little bit. You should watch my tips and tricks video if you don't know how to do that. Make them look more realistic. Something cool about the interior, there's like little door taillights. So when you open the door at night, you don't get like, or it shows flashing red. There's the dashboard. I'm actually kind of happy that I had that paint misfailure or malfunction with the white, because I think the pink plastic looks way, way, way better. Actually, I promised you guys in the unboxing that I'd compare it to my 1960 Johann DeSoto and that Chevy Chevette. So let's do that right now. Alright, so I've taken it off the turntable. There you can see the Cadillac. And let's roll in the tiny Chevette. So, from rear bumper, it's about 1.5 Chevettes long, which is ridiculous. I mean, absolutely crazy that they're both 2 doors and yet one is like half their size. And I also promised you guys that I'd do a comparison to the DeSoto. Now, one thing I noticed is that the DeSoto has more of like... That DeSoto had length and Cadillac had height. So different car brands had different like takes on doing tail fins, which is kind of cool. Because I think there's a 59 Impala that my dad's building right now. Actually, maybe I'll give you guys a sneak peek, show you the rear of it right now. Now, I don't want to spoil too much because this video is coming up soon. Ooh, no. But as you can see, Impala had the width. That's all I'm going to show for the Impala. So you guys, if you want to see that, you guys have to stay tuned. And with that, I'll end off the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so you don't miss an upload, because you definitely don't want to miss that Impala video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.